Hello, hello! You're watching In English. My name is Ina, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make someone leave you alone. Let's go!
Is there anything I can help you with?
Oh, just leave me alone.
Hey, pretty lady, voulez-vous coucher avec moi?
Off!
Trying to be a blogger? Are you mental? You're making a fool of yourself. Everyone's laughing at you.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man!
Well, you could do that, of course. But if you would like to be slightly more polite, there's a number of phrases that you can use. Let's look at them. What do you do if you're in a shop and you don't really want to buy anything and you don't want to talk to the shop assistant? What would you say? In this case, you can say, I'm just looking, or I'm just looking round, or I'm just browsing.
Hello, is there anything I can help you with?
No thanks, I'm just looking around. Another common situation is when someone's offering you some food, some more food or drink, and you're full and you want to refuse it. What do you say? Well, in this case, you first say, no thanks, and then choose out of 4 phrases. I'm all right, I'm okay, I'm fine, and I'm good.
Are you alright there? Have another piece of cake.
No, thank you, I'm good.
Oh, go on. Look, just this little piece of cake here. You've hardly eaten anything.
No, really, I couldn't. The third situation I want to talk about is when you want to refuse help. Let's say someone's offering to help you clean up after a party or help you carry your suitcases, but you actually just want them to leave you alone. What do you say?
Do you need a hand?
No, thanks. I think I can manage.
Would you like me to do the washing up?
Thanks very much, but I can do it myself.
Can I help you clean up?
No, thanks. It's all right. Now, once again, just look at these 3 phrases here. You can use them when you want to refuse help. The last 2 situations are connected with leaving. What do you say if you want to leave earlier? I have to get going, but it was so nice to meet you. Just remember to be polite and leave fast. And finally, what do you say if you want someone to leave?
Blah 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 blah.
Oh, is it 10 o'clock already?
Blah 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 blah.
Too bad I have to get up early tomorrow.
Oh yeah, me too. Blah 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 blah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man!
Before getting out of here, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. That was In English. My name is Ina. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!